What's going on, guys? Thank you guys in advance for tuning in to another video. Today we got a little install we're gonna do on the 250. We're finally gonna install the EGT probe that I've been having for about over a month now. So we're finally gonna get it installed. But before we do that, I have to run to the store and get a tap set and a new drill. Yeah, I don't have a drill. Out of all the stuff I have, I don't have a drill. I threw away my old one and plans on getting another one, but never got it. So we're gonna pick that up and we're gonna go run to Harbor Freight and get a drill and tap set so we can tap the threads into the exhaust manifold. But what we got, we're gonna be installing E.A.S. System, because you guys know I'm running the Edge monitor in my truck. So this is like plug and play basically with that monitor. And you can see there, E.A.S. expandable accessory system. I do plan on getting a few more things from of the E.A.S. line. But here's the kit basically. Here's our little whip, our pigtail that'll come off the probe to our, gonna plug into our monitor. It's our little adapter to screw into the manifold. Here's our probe. And this is another, yeah, I think this goes between this and the probe. Sorry, so yeah, you can expand and connect more E.A.S. systems to this right here. So yeah, pretty simple install. Got all the instructions right here. Drill bit sizes you need and blah, blah, blah. So we're gonna run a store, pick up, get everything that we need to install this and make this install go as smooth as possible. You guys can hear we got the tow pig in the background warming up. And yeah, you guys may not see the single cab in the driveway. I'll explain what has gone on or what's happened with that and later on in this video. So you guys stay tuned. Should be a good one. Yeah, if you guys haven't already, please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell if you haven't already. Spread the word. We're trying to hit 3,000 subs as soon as possible, guys. So I have a lot of plans, so as fast as we can get to 3,000 subs, the faster I'll make those moves. So let's get on the road. We're gonna hit the store and pick up what we need and get back and get this installed. All right, so we're back. Picked up everything we should need to complete this job without a headache. Went ahead and picked up the tap and die set, and it comes with the 1/8 NPT tap that we need. You can see right there, 1/8 national pipe thread pipe tap. And we also went ahead and picked up the metric just to have, you never know. So yeah, picked both of those up from Harbor Freight. Two good kits, they're $16.99 a piece. Went ahead and picked up a magnet to pick up any shavings that fall into the exhaust. I'll probably get a vacuum and suck some of that out too, as much as I possibly can. Got our kit, already went over that. Got our drill bit. We're gonna need a 1/8 inch drill bit to drill a pilot hole, and then we're also gonna need a 5/16 drill bit to drill our hole, and then we'll use our 1/8 NPT tap our hole, and then our little adapter right here that'll screw up into place, and we'll be able to install our probe. And then the rest of that, after that, is wiring. So we're gonna get under the truck and get to going. I got the heater going, kind of warm up the shop a little bit. Still working on trying to figure out what we're gonna do for installation, but I have a pretty good idea. What we're gonna do is just waiting to buy everything, get the money straight, and so on. So that'll be coming, but we're gonna go ahead and hop up under the truck and get to doing it, guys. It shouldn't be hard. Should be pretty simple. Fingers crossed. I don't want to jinx myself because I'm probably gonna. It never, you know, you guys probably know doing projects. It never goes as planned. So yeah, we're gonna get to it, and I'm gonna set you guys up, put you guys on time lapse, and we're gonna get to it. All right, guys. So it's gonna be a little shaky because I'm trying to hold this with one hand and then drill with the other. So bear with me. But you can see this is about where we're gonna drill the hole. Try to find a flat spot, but There's really no real flat spot, so we're gonna try to go here with it. And I'm just gonna drill my pilot hole with the 1/8 bit. And there it went. So, got our pilot hole drilled. Now I'm gonna switch the bits and drill our hole out with our 5/16 bit, I think it is. Yeah, so I'm gonna switch bits real quick and we're gonna go ahead and get that one drilled. Yo, so we're back. We got the hole drilled out and tapped as well. I didn't record it because it's kind of hard trying to tap a hole and hold the camera at the same time, but you can see we got our hole tapped there. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use a magnet. Let's see if I get the light on there. I'm gonna go ahead and use a magnet and try to draw out most of this metal. Get most of it out the exhaust. I'm also going to use a vacuum, shop vac, to try to pull a lot of that stuff out of there. But I'm not sure if you can see, it's some metal shavings on there. So we're going to get as much of that out as we possibly can. And we're going to go ahead and screw in our little adapter here, and we'll go ahead and install the rest of our probe. I'm gonna hit this quickly with the shop vac real quick, and I'll catch up with you guys after I do that. So we got our hole all cleaned out. Go ahead and thread our little adapter in. Like that. And use I think it's a 9/16 wrench. Yeah, 9/16 wrench to go ahead and tighten her up, snug her up. I don't see a reason why this should have to be super tight. So snug it up like that, and then we'll take our probe here and thread that on up in there. Move this around. And I'll fasten this some kind of way, however we run our cable down, but just like that. And yeah, you got your EGT probe installed. Simple as that. The hardest part is probably trying to tap the hole, but you can see it's in there pretty snug. So we're gonna move up top and fish our wire down from our control or our monitor, and that'll be it. Okay, so they give you two cables. One is gonna connect right off the back of your edge monitor, and then the other one's gonna connect straight to your probe. And with the E.A.S system, it's basically like plug and play. So this is our cable that's gonna come off of our control module or our monitor. That's gonna plug into here like so, and then this will lead down to our probe. And then on this side, if we add anything else like a transmission probe, temp probe, or the truck already has that, so we wouldn't add anything like that, but if you add something like an extra, like if you add electronic fans or something, you want to put a temperature probe on that, you can do that. You can add a fuel regulator or a fuel probe to measure your fuel pressure and all that stuff. So yeah, we may get that one when we install our air dog on the truck. And we also may get, there's a turbo timer, so you can cut your truck off and the truck will continue to run until your turbo reaches a good temperature to shut off. And it's supposed to, you know, prolong the life of your turbo. So we may get those two for sure. And who knows what else we may add. But with the E.A.S system, it makes it really simple. And we're really doing the hard work now by running the original wire. So because after this, we won't have to go in the firewall anymore. We won't have to go in the engine bay. Well, I'm sorry, we'll have to go in the engine bay, but we won't have to go through the firewall anymore because everything's gonna just plug in right into the back of this one, and you kind of daisy chain them off and connect them to whatever you're trying to monitor. So yeah, when we get the other ones, it should be really simple to install. So yeah, we're gonna move to the inside of the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and run this one first, because I have to go to the firewall. But here's our edge monitor here. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. So the main wire that comes off of the module here, I got it run down between here and it's down here. But where you're gonna plug in your extra, well, that wire that I just showed you, it's gonna plug into here, right here. So take this one, plug this into here. We're gonna run this one in through the firewall into the engine bay. All right, so we're gonna fish our wire through the firewall here. And being that I've run some stuff through the firewall already, you can see I already got a hole right into it. So it's gonna make this super easy. Take this bad boy and fish it right up through there. So you can kind of see where it's coming through at right here. Go ahead and pull that through. I'm gonna pull all of it through and I'm gonna keep everything right here. This is kind of like where all my electronic stuff for the truck sits in this corner here. So I'm gonna wrap it up nice and neat and tuck everything right there. And I'm gonna tuck that down in there. And so our probe lead, I'm gonna try to keep it up top, real close here. So when we add the other ones, it'll be able to keep everything nice and neat together. So just twist this on. So you got just enough from our probe lead to the connector to the E.A.S system. So I'm gonna try to plug this in with one hand. Like that, and that's it, guys. Let's go up top and see. We're gonna have to set our we're gonna have to set our monitor so it can read this probe now. I don't have the EGT probe as one of my things on here, so let's see what we gotta do. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta get better tripods or something to hold these cameras a lot better, because this sucks. All right. Now, let's see where we're gonna put it on here. We got our engine oil temp, coolant temp, transmission temp. I guess we could put it up here. We don't really need an RPM, so we can put it up here. And you can see it right there, guys. It automatically reads it or detects it. Come on, focus. Before, it never said E.A.S, EGT, but now I guess that we have it plugged up, it automatically senses it. So that's what we're gonna select, and it should be on there now. So I'm gonna exit. And there it goes, guys. EGT. Now let's start the truck up and see what we get. See what she got. There you go, guys. We got it right there in the corner, top corner. You can see it's reading, it's going up. So we're good to go, guys. It is already up to temp, almost up to temp, because I did start the truck before I hit play. Before I already started the truck and everything, so the truck was kind of hot already. So. There you go, guys. That's the install on the EGT probe on a 6-liter. I'm pretty sure it's the same way on all years, 03 to 07. I don't see why it would be a difference, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please go down below, hit the like button, subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. I'm about to end this video and start another video actually. So yeah, actually it's gonna be those headlights, taillights, and we got some other stuff. So you guys stay tuned. Those videos should be coming out real soon, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it and have a blessed day.